Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. So we're going to be doing a deep condition today. A very amazing deep condition. You're going to enjoy this particular one. So right here, I've already blended my flaxseed and fenugreek seed. Okay, this flaxseed and fenugreek seed, I used it previously in my detangling video where I lost my 2 months hair braid. So I want to wash my hair and treat my hair. So I'm going to be using this flaxseed, fenugreek seed, and other ingredients to do my deep condition. So if you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. Thank you so much for liking, subscribing, leaving your beautiful comments. I really appreciate. So flaxseed is really amazing for hair growth. It has fatty acid and also fenugreek seed to it makes your hair grow longer, faster. Both of them, combination of both of them can help to stop your hair loss. Okay. So the next ingredient I'll be adding is amla powder. Sorry, amla powder. You can add amla oil as well if you do. So I'm adding amla powder. I'm going to using a teaspoon to measure this, like half teaspoon. So if I want to do like 1 teaspoon, I have to use two of this. So this is what I'm using to measure my amla powder. So I'm just going to take in one of these. I'll put it inside this. So if you don't want to use the flaxseed and fenugreek seed because it's like my water base, okay, you can just use water for this recipe. So the next ingredient we added now is moringa. Moringa is really powerful for hair growth. It stops hair loss. It treats your scalp. So I'm going to be adding two of this inside. Okay. Then the next ingredient I'll be using is neem powder. This is a powerful ingredient as well. It's good for your hair. It treats your hair from grayness. It strengthens your hair. It promotes hair growth. Like your all these ingredients I'm using is really good for our hair. So I added another one that is three of it. Then I'm going to mix everything together. Please be careful with this, okay? Because when I was mixing it, it scattered everywhere in my kitchen. So I have to mix and clean as well. So this is how my consistency of this looks like, okay? So guys, you can also skip using the first base I use, which is the flaxseed and fenugreek seed. You can just only use neem, amla, and moringa. What you just have to do is use warm water, okay, and mix it. So there are two ways for you to use this ingredient. So I decided to add that flaxseed and amla, okay, because I already have that on ground. Yeah. So I'm just trying to clean because as I said earlier on, the whole stuff stained my whole kitchen floor. So I am also going to be using sweet almond oil, okay? It's another compulsory oil you have to use. So I'm going to add this. This is going to help to nourish everything and put everything together. I'm using 1 teaspoon, okay? So I will mix everything together and we'll move to application. So this is the right consistency you have. If you don't add the first ingredient I use, your consistency will be a little bit thicker than this, okay? But I love this the way it's running through. So this is application. I have washed my hair. If you have not seen the video where I showed you guys my lens check after the 2 months of carrying this braid on my hair, you need to check that video out. So I'm going to start applying this all over my hair. But first, I am going to section my hair. In first section, I'm using this clip to section my hair so that it can be easier for me to work. Another thing you need to note is that your hair needs to be damp, okay? You need to do this on a clean hair and on a damp hair, okay? So I am going to apply this all over my hair, but first of all, I change my shirt because I know it's going to drip, okay? So that it does not stain my white. Yeah, so I'm starting with this section right here. I will section my hair and be applying this on my hair from my root to the ends of my hair. Okay, so this is really really amazing. Like you guys will see my result when I apply this on my hair. Okay, it's gonna make your hair fuller, thicker, and this braid challenge I did is really really awesome because I noticed my hair was a bit, it had volume. Okay, and it grew and it had volume as well. Like I did not expect my hair to be this thick. My hair was thick, my hair was healthy, my hair was really really doing well. Even my So I'm done with the front of my hair. So I'm also going to be applying this the back of my hair. Like I am going to make sure I manage this treatment so that it will reach the whole of my hair. So if you're making this badge, kindly make a badge that will reach the whole of your hair. Okay. This was really, really amazing. I love this treatment. You can do this treatment every time you lose your braid. Is going to help to straighten your hair after your long time braiding of hair. So, darlings, I am done putting this all over my hair. Like, can you see the volume of my hair? My hair have never, ever, ever been this full, this healthy before. So, I'm loving every treatment, everything I put on my hair. I love the way I take care of my hair because the result is literally showing. Okay, so what do you guys think about this treatment? Okay, are you going to try it out? Like all the strands of my hair are just pointing, all the strands of my hair are just healthy. I love how this feels. Okay, it makes my hair looks thick, it makes my hair looks um volume, has a lot of volume. So I left this on my hair for like an hour. So this is after 1 hour. Okay, I'm ready to wash it out, and it's still hydrated, it's still soft. So I'll wash it out and I'll show you guys what it looks like after it's being washed. So guys, I've washed it out. So right here I only have my condition. Okay, so after you wash your treatment out, like the marks out of your hair, you add your condition. So this is my hair on just condition. Like, are you guys seeing the volume of my hair? It's the volume that is making me so happy. Yeah. So this is the volume of my hair right now. I love it. It's so soft. It has volume. This is the reason why you need to take care of your natural hair, because you are going to see a lot of results. So guys, I've rinsed it out of my hair. So this towel I have is a fiber towel, okay? It does not strip your hair from all the water, okay? So this is what my hair is looking. I love this treatment. My hair was soft and it felt really amazing after the whole treatment. Were you going to be trying this? Let me know in the comment section. I just came closer to show you guys, okay? Like everything was really soft. Like you see your hair is shining. And I'll also be showing you guys the hair loss I lost. This is the hair loss I lost after this wash, this particular wash day. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Kindly subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. And I will see you all my besties in my next video. Bye for now.